Hello students, so this is our new topic and this topic is from class 12th. Okay, chapter 2, electrostatic potential and capacitance. See what is the heading of your topic. The topic is electrostatic potential due to a system of charges. Okay, we will see how much electrostatic potential is generated if a system of charges is here. See, first we will see what type of system of charges is present here. Suppose this is point P and you have to always calculate the potential at point P only. Okay, so this is, and these are the system of charges Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 up to Qn. Okay, so these are your system of charges, and what is the distance of each and every charge with the point P? See, if charge Q1 is present here, then we will take the distance as R1. Okay, if charge Q2 is present here, then we will take the distance R2. If Q3 is present here, then we will take the distance R3. Similarly, for Qn it is Rn. Okay, now see the derivation. Let there be a number of point charges Q1, Q2, Q3 up to Qn at distance R1, R2, R3 up to Rn respectively. Okay, from point P. So where the electric potential to be calculated, we have to calculate the electric potential always at point P only in each and every derivation. Okay, we will take the point P where we have to calculate the electric potential or electrostatic potential. Now what is the simple formula of electrostatic potential? V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. Q divided by R. Okay, so this is the simple formula of electrostatic potential. So see, the potential at point P due to the charge Q1 is equal to V1. Okay, for the potential due to the charge Q1 we will take as V1, and the potential due to the charge Q2 we will take V2, potential due to the charge Q3 we will take V3. Similarly, potential due to the charge Qn we will take the Vn. Okay, so see the value of first potential. V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by R1P. Okay, why we have taken this R1P? Because P is the point where we have to calculate the electrostatic potential. Okay, so this is the general formula of potential. V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. Okay, so in the play for the V1 we will take Q1 and R1P here. Okay, similarly for V2 it is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 upon R2P, V3 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 upon R3P, and for Vn obviously it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon Rn P. Okay. Okay, so for finding the total potential of the system we will apply the superposition theorem. So by using superposition theorem, the value of total potential of the system will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 up to Vn. Okay, now put the value of V1, V2, V3. Okay, like this. Then what is common here? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is common in all. Okay, so we will take it as common, and in bracket what remains? Q1 upon R1P, Q2 upon R2P, Q3 upon R3P up to Qn upon RnP. Okay, and for all this we will apply a summation. Okay, summation rule here. So summation I is equal to 1 to n. Okay, Qi upon Rip, and what is the value of I here? I is equal to 1 to n. Okay, so for the first one it is Q1 upon R1P. For the I is equal to 2, it is Q2 upon R2P. Okay, like this only. So this is our final equation for the electrostatic potential due to a system of charges. Okay, now see, one numerical is given here. See, 2 point charges of 4 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb are separated by a distance of 1 meter in air. Okay, what is the value of charge? One value is 4 microcoulomb and Q2 is minus 2 microcoulomb. Okay, what is the value of micro? 10 raised to power minus 6. Okay, what is the distance is given? 1 meter. Calculate at which point on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential is 0. We have to calculate the point where the electric potential is 0. Okay, now see, this is our system. Okay, so this is what the point of the first charge, where the potential is V1 suppose. Okay, and what is the first charge? 4 microcoulomb, and here the potential is V2 suppose, and here the charge is -2 microcoulomb given in the question only. Okay, suppose we are having a point P where we have to calculate the electrostatic potential. Okay, and what is the distance between two charges? 1 meter. It is also given in the question. Okay, so take this distance as x, then what will be the value of this one? 1 minus x is equal to this distance only, so this is 1 minus x. Okay, now see what will be the total potential here. By applying superposition theorem, the total potential Vp at point P is equal to V1 plus Vt is equal to 0. And what is the value of V1 here? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by R1. What is Q1? 4 microcoulomb. What is R1? X. What is Q2? Minus 2 microcoulomb. What is R2? 1 minus x. Okay, so first we have to calculate the V1 and V2 by the simple formula 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. Okay, then we will apply, or we will put the value of V1 and V2 in this equation number 1. Now see, this is the value of V1. Okay, and this is the value of V2. Okay, now put the value of V1 and V2 in equation number 1. V1 plus V2 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is V1 and this is your V2. Okay, so see, if you apply this positive into negative here, then it will, this term will be negative. Okay, so transpose this term. Okay, if you transpose this term, then it will be positive only. Okay, now see, the both side 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Okay, so cancel out. Tan raised to power minus 6 is also common. Then what you have, 4 by x is equal to 2 upon 1 minus x. Okay, so this is also cancelled out. So 2 by x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x. Okay, now by applying cross multiplication, this is equal to 2 into 1 minus x into 1 into x. Okay, now 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into x is minus 2x, and if you transpose this x here, then it will be minus x. Okay, now minus is 2x minus x, it has become minus 3x, and if you transpose this minus 3x here, then it will be positive. Then what will be the value of x? 2 by 3 meter. Okay, so this is your answer. Therefore the electrostatic potential is 0 at the distance 2 by 3 meter from charge 4 microcoulomb between two charges. Okay, so we will see in the next video our new topic, electrostatic potential due to an electric dipole. And for continue with me, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.